My name is Nathanael. I'm originally from a country called Ethiopia, a country in Eastern Africa. A delegate from CUHK came to my university in Korea. Then they posted notices to present about opportunities in CUHK.
My name is Mohammed. I'm from Turkmenistan. I was researching in the websites of the different universities. So when I'm doing the research about the CUHK, I found out that there was a PhD workshop. So I researched more and I found that I can apply to it, and I applied and accepted.
Well, the workshop is really well organized. Everything is done in an orderly manner. I've participated in a lot of interesting seminars. I've seen a lot of interesting research posters as well. I had the opportunity to meet students from mainland, students from other countries as well.
I really like the workshop. The workshop gives me a lot of opportunity to contact with different professors, especially the first night we can sit together with different professors to talk about different research projects.
这个 workshop 对我感觉特别好。首先就是他给我的生活的条件，包括住宿，就住在海边，然后视野特别好，而且住宿条件也很好，然后吃的在学校食堂，饭也很好吃，然后这边的老师，然后同学都对我们很友好，然后我们举行了很多活动，然后我也趁这个机会也知道了很多比较优秀的同学，我们一起交流，对，我们在一起学习交流，然后也了解了更多的学校和他们的实验室以及他们的一些成果。
Two things. One is the professionals themselves are renowned researchers. I've took the time to look into a lot of the departments in the research. Seem to be highly cited, and the research output is quite high. In addition to that, the facilities, I've had a chance to see a lot of laboratories in campus, and also seen the library as well. So the campus is also well equipped in terms of personnel and the materials as well.
They're really helpful. You can just knock the professor's door and they very welcome you, and talk a lot about the opportunities, and very good.